President of Indian Poultry Equipment Manufacturers Association, Mr. Uday Singh Bayas, who is enjoying the second term as successive president of the association. And I would like to have specifically your opinion on what should be the role of associations in carrying forward our objectivity as our theme defines in this conference. Mr. Uday Singh Bayas, please.
Respected delegates, my senior industry stalwarts on the dais, scientists, veterinarians, students, everyone present here. Thank you for giving this opportunity, Dr. Shukla sir, to be on this platform. And as we today talk on the association's role, as you can see, like from last 2 years, IPAMA, Poultry India has been continuously working on togetherness with all the associations like CLAFMA, Poultry Federation of India, and various associations in India we are associated with. Our common goal is not only to conduct exhibition every year, it is also to bring back the vibrantness in the industry which we have. Today, the gap between the education and the industry is quite big. As I remember, last 2 years back in the same meeting, Mr. Bahadur Ali had recognized this issue, and he has very clearly stated that there's a very big gap between the industry and also the vets and the education system in India. And accordingly, we took that also as one of our key subject, and wherever we could find there are gaps, we try to bridge in, we try to do something which we can really make proud our industry all about. So accordingly, we were able to do that. We have been conducting quite number of seminars with the veterinarians. We also had the Vice Chancellors meet, the first of its kind in India, wherein all the Vice Chancellors of India had come down to one place in Lonavala. Under the proper guidance of Shuklaji, we had been able to do all this. So this kind of things, Poultry India, it's a very young association, IPAMA, but we have taken the responsibility of moving forward step by step with everyone, like CLAFMA, INFA, Poultry Federation of India, and we are on the same page. We are trying to understand what is the core subject today the industry needs to address to the government of India or the local governments. And we have been working on that, taking the expert advice of the industry leaders and moving forward. And step by step, we move forward. We have been very successfully doing things and coming to such a platform that today everybody recognizes us in its good quality work, what we do. We are with a vision. And as our Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Ji Modi Ji has made a vision. The same vision also we carry forward. All our visionary leaders like our Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy Garu, we are also in the Telangana Rising, where the investment is a subject where Telangana needs to go up. So what I understand when I've been attending all these forums, I commonly understand that there is a very big gap between the industry and the government basically, which I think associations can play a very vital role today. We can all sit down on a common platform and we are very good and very smart in doing our work. And I'm sure with everybody's mindset of doing a particular subject in a very conclusive way, we can reach out. And that's what we are doing. With this, nationally, we also now approach international associations. We are also trying to club in with them. We had the fortunate to have the Uganda Minister for Agriculture here this 17th edition. We are tied up on with 17 associations internationally, which are from Africa and Europe. So when they see that the Indian associations are doing such kind of a work, they are proud of India, Bharat, which I can say with a lot of pride today. And each one of you here, each one of my industry stalwarts, they deserve this applause because they made us proud. They made our India proud, what I can say. So with this, sir, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and we will take it forward. So my request to all of us is like how Mr. Shukla as a president is doing this work which has to be, you know, made a remarkable in the today's generation. We all should come up with ideas which are really going to help the industry. And this will definitely one day will reach our goal. With हम साथ साथ है तो सब काम होने वाला है. अगर हम नहीं रहेंगे साथ में तो काम होने वाला नहीं है. And I'm happy that all of the presidents of this time are on the same page and are of same mindset. And I thank the God and the time that they are all together with me. Thank you once again. Thank you for making our Poultry India proud. And also, please visit our Poultry India, because I will never leave any stage without inviting you, because you made us proud. So please remember, next year, 26th, 27th and 28th, we have an exhibition. So let's make a new history again. Every year, we make a new benchmark with your support. So let's move forward. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Bharat.
उदय सिंह सॉरी उदय सिंह भाई सर हमेशा डॉक्टर ही आ रहे हैं साथ में
नेक्स्ट ईयर तक मिल जाएगा डॉक्टर
बिल्कुल जयसवाल